Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch inputs from like your cable television input over to your Xbox Series X by simply pressing the controller's Xbox button and then turning on the controller. Now, this is very easy to do, so you don't need your TV remote or anything else like that. You just need your controller connected and this option turned on. So under settings here, let's go to General and then go to TV and Display Options. Then go to Device Control. And then turn on HDMI-CEC. And there's going to be a bunch of different options in here. But one of the cool things about HDMI-CEC is you can turn on and off your Xbox. It will turn on and off your TV, or vice versa. Or you can turn up the volume on your Xbox right here. Console sends volume commands. So we have this option under that called Switch TV Input Using Controller. When this is on, pressing the Xbox button on your controller will switch your TV input to the console. So just press the Xbox button. If you're watching Netflix or something like that, it's going to automatically switch on over. So you just have to pick up your controller and then turn it on and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.